Hi, welcome to fnopulse.com. FNO Pulse is futures and options pulse for share market. Here you can learn about market trend. Be dependent by yourself and get good return. Learn and earn. We source the live data and we make this data into quick readable format in using our data analysis tool. It will help you to trade futures, option and stock for intraday trading. Let's go into FNO Pulse and see how it's worked for today, 28th June 2022. This is the home page of fnopulse.com. Here you can see Dow futures, Bank Nifty futures, Nifty futures, as in INDVX, crude oil, USD INR, everything you can see it here. Let me explain you how each and everything is useful for our intraday. FNO Pulse. We can easily predict the live market moves here. We have more than 60 unique reserves. Useful to understand the market before entering into it. We can easily identify how the market will move. First, we have to identify how the market will move before we entering into the market for the day. The three major things we're going to see it here: Dow futures, crude oil, USD INR. When the Dow futures, if you consider to the Dow future, market Dow Jones impact the Indian market. Dow Jones will be working after the closing of Indian market. After our Indian market closes, depends on Dow Jones, our next day market will open. Make sure that depends on Dow Jones, our next day market will be open. Same way the crude oil. When the crude oil is high, our market will be low. When the crude oil is low, our market will be going high. USD INR, same like crude oil only. But whenever there is high in USD, our market will be low, but this is not applicable for our IT sectors. Our IT sector will also be high whenever the USD is high. We have the screen called market status. You can see this market status in dashboard. This market status giving a detailed report of price gainers, price losers for the day. OA gainers, open interest gainers, open interest losers. Volume gainers, this information will be given. Now we have to identify the Bank Nifty active calls. Which are the Bank Nifty active calls? The list are here. This 5 are the Bank Nifty active calls with open interest values are here. And Bank Nifty call OA gainers. Which are the call options got? There is more OA gainers happened in this 35,100 CE. Like that, every explanation is there for Nifty, Bank Nifty, put and call options for both. You can identify which are the options called are active for intraday. Next is market info. The market info opens and check how many stocks is in advance and decline. Today, 28 June 2022, total stocks in advance in this list are 97 and decline is 88. Sector wise, if you see Nifty 50, advance is 28 and decline is 22. And Bank Nifty, advance is 5 and decline is 7. So each and everything you can identify here. How to take the trade and select the stock for intraday. Whenever you see a 1% price change here, definitely you can go for the trade, particular trade, and take a good profit in this. Let me show you one example now. Techcom. I will go and show you Techcom now. Let's check Techcom. Morning it was open with open here. I'm keeping 5 minutes candle here. Here, when once this is crossing this level, there is 1% change happened. If you enter at 995, it went high up to nearly 50 point it given. If you book 10 to 15 points for intraday, it's a very good profit for intraday. Like that, if you choose, you can choose it for all those stocks here. Whenever you see 1% change in price change, and also OA also there will be a good result. You can see 7% change in Techcom. So there is a good profit taken by today in Techcom. Now we are going to identify the Nifty and Bank Nifty separately. Like that, the screens will be available. In dashboard, you can go to Nifty and both are same type of analysis we have done. The reports will be generating according to the market moves. The spot price is all about the index price. The future price is the current month future. The max pain we are displaying here. The PCR trend, open in OA interpretation, technical trend, trend rating, technical strength. Moving as the exponential moving average 50, 200, VWAM, pivot. All these are intraday players mainly use for intraday trading as a technical analysis. The three futures of Nifty in current month, next month, and the August months are here. According to this, you can check the long build-up is formed. You can go for buy. If it is short covering or long unwinding, you can go for sell side. Nifty and Bank Nifty max win, where the writers are very aggressive, put and call contracts. Definitely the market will break out to the max pain level. For example, I'll give one example. The market price is 17,950 in Nifty and 38,000 in Bank Nifty. The max pain is 17,800 in Nifty, 37,700 Bank Nifty. If the market is moving up, but no change is happening in max pain, by the end of the day, market will definitely come near to the max pain. So you can go for sell side whenever the market price is 17,950 and the max pain is below that one. So that definitely the market will come that near to max pain and close for the day. Like that, you can choose your sell call for Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures, and you can check it for put calls in options. PCR trend. PCR trend 0.89 bearish is showing for today. The PCR trend is put and call ratio. If it is 0.0 to 0.5, it's a strong bearish. 0 to 0.5 to 0.8, it's a bearish. 1 to 1.2, the market is neutral. 1.2 to 1.5, it's bullish. 1.5 and above, it's a strong bullish. You can understand that market put PCR trend in this level. You can note down and keep this and make sure that whenever this is crossing this level, the market will be a strong bullish and bullish, neutral, bearish, strong, bearish. All these things will be happening here. Technical trend. The technical trend we calculating with 12 parameters. Based on that, we deciding the neutral, bullish trend, bearish trend. According to that, you can make your trade. See the technical trend bullish. Out of 12 parameters, many are in bullish, so we are going for bullish side. The trend rating is out of 12, the 11 are in bullish. All these are exponential moving average, EMA 200, VWAM, pivot point, simple moving average 10 and 20, RSI. Everything is like this. 12 parameters we are calculating here and giving this output for your intraday trading. The technical strength, whenever the green is formed and it is more than 85, 99, 85 percentage, definitely the market is in bullish side. You can go for the trade for bullish thing. Technical trading, you calculate whenever the neutral 8 out of 12. Now out of 12, 8 in neutral. Out of bullish, out of 12, 8 is bullish. Bearish, out of 12, 8 is bearish. Like that, it will keeps moving. Sometimes out of 12, 1 will be in bearish. Like that, you have to understand the market trend. If it is above 75% based on that, the bullish call and bearish call will be happening. Minimum 75% we have to be confirming that bullish or bearish. Intraday indicators are EMA 50, EMA 200, VWAP, pivot point. Now let's go into futures. We have many screens. Today we will see only the two major screens, OI data analysis and bank analysis. In futures, I am coming into OI data analysis. Here you can identify how the market is happening in Bank Nifty. This is for Bank Nifty. You can change it here for Nifty and also the stocks. This is for future OI data analysis. You have to identify the open total, open interest, total change in open interest, day high, and everything. And you can check these charts here. In this chart, we are giving a display of candlesticks and moving average 10 and moving average, simple moving average 10 and 20. Here from the market open time, each and every candles will get started forming like this. You can check it 9:15 to 9:18, 9:18 to 9:21. What's happened with each candles? Each candle is giving a different output for us. Short build-up, long build-up, long. Once the long build-up in this place, it started moving upside. Total overall, the market is in bullish for some time, and again it started changing the direction. So let's see for Nifty. Nifty in morning around 9:15, all are in negative side. Maximum the candles are negative side. Then the candle started moving green, and the market started moving upward direction. So according to that, the long build-up is formed. You have to be very confident that market is going for upside. Bank analysis. We're going to analyze the banks now. In futures, you have to go for bank analysis. Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, and IndusInd Bank. These banks are the major role playing in Bank Nifty. So according to this, you can understand how the market keeps going for intraday. Next, let's go into the options trading. Options trading, you have to understand the active strike OA. Here you have to understand the market is an uptrend or downtrend by knowing the OA difference. You just check this, the client's graph will be removed. Whenever you see if it is below zero, the market will be maximum in downside. Whenever it crosses the zero, then definitely the market will start moving upward direction. If you are trading in Bank Nifty, definitely 80 to 100 points, you can book it whenever the crossing the line above zero. Again, if it's crossing the zero below, again you can go for sell call or put call, options, and take again you can take 80 points in futures. On options, if you book 30 to 40 points for one lot, it's a very good profit for your intraday trading. Same way you have to identify for Nifty. Whenever it's zero below, the market will be in bearish only. Whenever it is zero above, market will be in upside only. You always go with 3 to 5 minutes candle. According to your candles you're trading, you change your candles here. Next, OI data analysis. Now we have how to find the right strike price for options trading. It's very simple. Here that all are left side all are call options, right side are put options. The yellow middle line is the currently trading the trading price, and then nearby prices are there. You have to check if you are going for call side, you have to check where there is more change in OA and volume. Accordingly, whenever there is a blue color change, that is the place you can see a more change in volume and also OA change. According to this, you can take your trade and make a profit for intraday trading. You just go through this page and you will understand each and everything how the things are happening here. If it is put side, the long build-up also will be forming. Whenever the long build-up is forming, the particular strike price is going to perform well. And sometimes the short covering will start standard moving towards a long build-up. Next we are checking with Nifty. In Nifty you can see the strike price, identifying the strike price 15,800. 15,800. If you see the open is 117, it went high up to 138. Right. This is the profit given in nearly 20 points given profit for intraday trading. When Nifty, whenever you trading, 15 points is maximum is enough for your intraday trade. So maximum 8 to 15 points you book your profit for Nifty. And Bank Nifty 30 to 42 points you can book your profit in Bank Nifty options trading. Thank you, happy trading. If you have any clarification, you contact us. We will give support for your trading. Thank you.